guys, my name is Neil Sakota and today we will be going through our CS50P Final Project. The title of my project is Nepali date converter, and what this project does is convert Nepali date into English date AD, whereas convert English date into Nepali date BS Bikram Sambat. So let's go through our requirements of this project. Your project must be implemented in Python. As you can see, my project is implemented in Python with a .py file name. Your project must be having a main function and 3 or more additional functions. As you can see in my main file project.py, there is def main and other 3 extra functions: leap year, month, BS, AD date. So this specification is also completed. Your required 3 custom functions other than main must also be in project.py. So it's in project.py, and your test function must be in a file test project.py. So this is my test project.py, and there are more than 4 functions. Just wait a bit because it is loading. As you can see, more than 5 functions in my test project.py. Implementing your project should entail more time and effort than is required by each of the course problem set. This project cost me a bit more time. It took me 4 hours to complete, and it was a very harsh journey. And now let's try to run our program. CD project PyTest, and it is running smoothly in PyTest. Now let's try to run our Python program in a basic manner. Project.py. When we enter, we are welcomed with 1 and 2, BS to AD and AD to BS. So first of all, let's choose BS to AD. 2069 010. So the corresponding AD date is 2012 April 13. And now let's try for AD to BS. Python BS. Let's type our random year 2010 May 2. The corresponding BS date is 2067 120. So you can see this project is running smoothly. It is responsive and there are no errors. The test is running properly, the test file is running properly, and when we type on PyTest, it doesn't get any error. So this is my final project. Thank you.